On your mark, get set, tumble with Tumble Trax. Create your own roller coaster with long, short, and curved magnetic pieces. Then drop the marble from the highest point to see your daredevil design come to life. Take the challenge to the next level by building the tracks pictured on the activity cards. Can you make the marble speed up, slow down, or change direction by rearranging the pieces? Engineering and problem solving have never been this fun, and endless combinations of designs provide multiple levels of learning. Tumble Trax includes 14 magnetic track pieces, 1 goal, 4 marbles, and 10 activity cards. This Make You Think magnetic marble run is great for building critical thinking skills and supporting STEM. Get ready for serious pulse-pumping, brain-boosting fun with Tumble Trax by Learning Resources for ages 5+.